Welcome to the R&J Machinery showroom. Let's get your demo started on the Hebrock Top 2000 Plus. So here's the Top 2000 Plus. This is the start of the range from Hebrock on their Edgebanders. As you can see, it's a very simple, easy machine to use, perfect for somebody who's never used an Edgebander before, who's a little bit tight on space, and they need something basically to do a nice job, put the tape on, and away they go. Something simple, easy to use. So as you can see, there's no PLC on this machine, it's just a push button controller. A lot of customers really like that because anyone can use it, it's very, very functional. We've got heat up, feed, top bottom trimming, end trim, and flat scrapers. Also a guillotine. You can see the temperature heating up, nice big glue pot, heats up within 4 minutes. As we go around the machine, tape feed, tape thickness adjustment, glue pot, quick heating. If we open the cabinet up, we can see end trim saw unit, top bottom milling units, and flat scrapers. Once these are set, they do exactly the same thing every day. Very consistent, very stable, very easy to use machine. Okay, so now the machine is up to temperature. We can now see from the control panel that we're ready to go. So we turn it on quite simply with 2 buttons. Bring the panel to the machine and go for it. Really easy, really basic to use, nice finish, a machine that anyone can achieve a good finished cabinet on.